So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito, ibibigay ko lang po yung atin pong power ranking kasi ito pong Philippine Cup kabola. The last tournament for this 2023-2024 season ng PBA mangyayari na po kabola. So hindi pa na-subscribe, baka pindot naman po yung subscription button. But before we go dive in to our power ranking kabola, gusto ko lang po ipakita ito, no? So binigyan po ng magandang reward kabola ni Governor Delta ang kanyang mga players po ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns kabola. And for me, this shows talaga din kung gaano din po kalakas, no? Or kalaki ang financial capacity ni Governor Delta Pineda kabola. He can really make this team happy kabola. Ano po, and malamang mga budget siguro niya umaabot na rin sa PBA level, ano? And it just shows kabola na itong MPBL with this type of owners kabola, kung darami pa sila, talagang magiging sakit ng ulo or talagang kakompetensya na po kabola ng PBA moving forward. And now, of course, it's time to come up po with our power ranking. Dito po again, ang chinecheck natin dito kabola is gaano ba sila ka-legit po na contender kabola. So, lahat po ng teams nirank natin number 12, Blackwater Elite kabola. So looking at their lineup, medyo it's hard to trust them kabola. And then of course, nag-start na rin nga talaga yung mga rumblings kabola ng paggawa po ulit nila ng mga farm team moves which will further help the talent level of their team. 11 will be converged in terms of talent level and even the talent of their coaching staff. Dapat hindi number 11 yung converge kabola. But of course, we are also aware of what they wanted for this season, no? Kabola. So believe it or hindi nyo man po pinapaniwalaan, I think the happenings kabola and the results of their games is really pointing to Justin Baltazar kabola. Number 10, Terra Firma Chip kabola. Actually, it's Terra Firma is a very interesting core right now. Kung titignan natin, of course, diba, nag-struggle si Stephen Holt kabola dun sa Commissioner's Cup. Tignan natin dito na pure Pinoy na lang kung mas magiging maganda po ang ipapakita niya kabola. Hoping talaga po na may ipakita niya dito. And ito kasi Terra Firma, hindi naman sila small team so talagang meron silang chance to do some noise dito po sa Philippine Cup. Number 9, Rain or Shine kabola. Unfortunately for them, their prize rookie, Luis Villegas, hindi pa po siya mukhang magiging available agad, no? Which is yun yung expectation dati kabola kasi nagka-issue na naman po sa injury na. Overall though, Gao still there, so we still know that they will compete. Number 8 will be Northport Batang Pier, a very modern team. I'm hoping na walang trip nang maganap before the start of the tournament and that they will finish this tournament with the current core kasi they have a quintet that I am really excited to watch po na maglaro po ng sabay-sabay. I'm talking about Munzon, Navarro, Tolentino, Lucero, and of course Kid Flores. I think that is a modern 5 kabola. Tignan natin kung gaano po kaganda ang versatile lineup na ito. Number 7 will be Phoenix kabola. So Phoenix kabola, of course, just showed us in the Commissioner's Cup that they can compete. Ang problema ngayon, wala na silang import. Of course, this is all Filipino kabola. Tignan natin kung ano pong magagawa nila without Jonathan Williams at the middle. Number 6 natin will be NLEX kabola. With Brandon Roser there, they have the front line to battle it out kabola. And of course, nandiyan din si Robert Bolick to provide that star power, to provide that scoring that they need in the playoffs kabola. And number 6 natin ang NLEX. Number 5, TNT. So, naging healthy si RR Pugoy kabola pero hindi pa rin bumabalik si Mikey Williams. So, yun pa rin ang biggest issue nila. And then, of course, mayroon pa rin silang issue kabola sa kanilang depth sa kanilang center position. So, tignan natin kung hindi maayos yung depth nila center position, mahirap pong i-trust ang TNT to contend. Number 4 natin, Magnolia Hotshots kabola. It's just that we cannot keep on trusting them kabola with the top 3, especially at the start of this tournament kabola kasi paulit-ulit naman na nakita natin that they are having hard time getting over the humps sa championship level kabola, no? So number 4 natin sila. Number 3 natin will be Meralco Bolts kabola. This one I'm interested now to see. Wala na pong EASL na kumbaga kumukuha din po ng focus nila kabola. They have a brand new coaching staff. If you remember, pangalawang tournament na nila ito. So tignan natin, will they have a better performance? So number 2 natin will be Barangay Ginebra kabola. So wala ulit Justin Brownlee, di ba? Yan naman kasi talaga currently ang going narrative with Ginebra, no? they cannot win without Justin Brownlee, kabola. And again, they have a tournament to prove that that is not true. The number 1 natin, San Miguel Beermen. So, pinakita po nila sa Commissioner's Cup that they still have the most powerful lineup, kabola. They have very, very deep lineup. Fajardo is there. CJ Perez is there. I think those are the top 2 MVP candidates right now. So, talagang superb ang lineup po ng San Miguel, kaya they have the number 1 spot. Kababas, palagi mo, sino pong mag-champion sa 2024 Philippine Cup? Comment lang po sa baba.